The flipped switch remains on as far as rain is concerned. In fact, tomorrow night into early Thursday will be the most widespread and the heaviest potentially for our area. Today we saw just over 3/4 of an inch of rain, the heaviest for Austin, coming in the early evening hours between about 5 and 7 p.m. Temperature right now 73 degrees under cloudy skies. Our high only managed 79. Now tomorrow I think we'll see some peaks of sunshine in the afternoon. That'll be the drier time of the day, keeping a 30 to 40% chance of some showers with a high temperature right around 86 degrees. That's here in Austin, about 80 in Mason, around 81 in Blanco, and 87 degrees in Giddings. The farther east you go, a little bit drier, a bit more sunshine, and very humid weather on the way too. Currently, radar is sweeping clean, but earlier, of course, we saw those bands of rain. I'm still keeping tabs on an area of low pressure out west. That's going to be what brings us our next best rain chance late tomorrow into early Thursday. Also keeping tabs on a Category 5. Hurricane Otis is just about to make landfall. Here's Acapulco, Mexico. Unprecedented strengthening. It was a tropical storm this morning. All right, tomorrow there is a low end severe weather risk. We're talking potential for high winds and hail on an isolated basis. Can't rule out in the Western Hill Country a very low tornado threat. Should storms form, they might rotate. We'll have to keep an eye on it. As for flood risk, we'll see tomorrow a level 1 to 2 risk. Just something to keep in mind. Right now, I'm hopeful that we'll just see beneficial rain hour by hour forecast. Well, tomorrow about midday around 80 degrees and a generally dry forecast until we get later in the day. The first of the storms really starting to pick up in the Western Hill Country toward the afternoon. And then by about midnight tomorrow night, that's when we'll see the best chance of those strong, possibly severe storms as the system continues to push to the east, making it into the Austin area around daybreak on Thursday. And we may see some lingering heavy rain as well as we continue through the rest of your Thursday farther toward the east. Now, when all is said and done, some spots could pick up multiple inches of rain, maybe 1 to as much as 4 inches of rain during that time period. We'll see additional showers through the weekend. The cold front timing now shifted up a day. Instead of Monday, I'm talking Sunday with a temperature around 80, falling perhaps to the 40s later Sunday. Highs only in the 50s Monday, and Halloween, if we only reach 49 for a high, that will be the coldest ever high for October 31st. We'll be right back.